You can use this paper color supermarket, maybe newspaper. Newspaper like this. You can use this one and maybe this color. What is this? Sixir. That's 1, 2, after fold, 3 inside. After you fold, they roll inside, cut 1, 2. This is come here. Cut inside the roll.
waxa ka soo baxa meesha
Take one paper slowly. Another one.
hada ay naga jirin dhegeyso mar labaad dhegeyso say istaag halka
No boys. Boys go. Only girls. I'll come after boys, no problem.
why Ian
Cut the red colors and 2 color, cut like leaf. I like Somaliland, beautiful country. It's very nice. I'm from India. I visit Ethiopia, Africa, Dubai. Take the pen. Yeah, come on. Press. No boys. Go. After. Take a 1. Slowly put up. Another 1. Number 3 is that is rose flower, mashallah. Okay. Silence. The papers 3 color. 1, 2, 3. How many papers? 3. How many papers? 3. They cut 1. Fold, roll inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's very easy. Simply your decoration. I have kitab, Arabic and English. You read Arabic?
Yes.
I have kitab. Just take 1 paper. It's the garland. I have kitab, this kitab. This kitab, the kitab tariqa.
halkii laga dhigay weyn
15, 1, 5, 1, 5, 15 design. 1 design, 2 design, 3, 4 design tariqa. You learn very good. Your teacher, your mother, father, your sister, friend, school. You learn all design, flower, garland, tree. They have pictures. Have you translation? Please. Sound. Sound.
عدك طلع
Warda, flower, garlands. The book's the price 10,000.
خلاص
Sanku. 10,000. This 10,000 is chai, coffee, finish. But this is very important for art, decoration, Ramadan, Eid, for every festival. My India Muslim children, they make a craft.
بس
For
خلاص
1 minute, one design. You want to buy books? I have no more. I have show you few. Give the mudir. You will buy from the office tomorrow, bukra, anytime. Who want interest? Raise your hands. Who want interest? Teacher. What about teacher? Teacher interest? Okay. These books, first one book give for the mudir. The gift I give myself free. One book first. The mudir. Clap. Go to class.